Welcome to today's video, and I told Steve-O this video is a terrible idea, but he insists on going through with it. He wants to show you how much the ornamental grass has grown since we last trimmed it. I told him nobody cared. Look at the views. You only got 73 views. Nobody cares what that grass is doing. But he totally insists.
Those things grow like crazy. And I want to tell everybody that I didn't scalp them or
He
hurt
wants
them.
to take me back out there to the
okay
bushes with him to show you guys the grass growth.
I'm sure I want you to go down there with me. Come on, you can trust me. You know better than that. And I promise nothing will happen to you. Cross my heart, hope you don't die. Haha, it's only a joke. Come on, buddy, I got you.
Do you remember what happened the last time I was out there with you? You cut my head off. You don't remember that? And now you want to take me back out there to the scene of the crime? You're a boob.
All right, buddy, we're getting back up in there. So it's been 3 weeks since I've trimmed this ornamental grass, and here's what we've got.
Since there's no wildlife out here, and you don't have any tools in your hands, I feel very safe today. So while you go and ramble on about stuff that nobody cares about, I'm gonna go over there.
Well, you just better stay away from the bird feeders because we've discussed this before. You got me?
You're not the boss of me. Why don't you just put a lid on it, big guy?
Well, don't disappear and make me come looking for you. Go
I'll
ahead.
be over there.
So here's what we got. Since the dead stuff doesn't grow anymore because it's dead, when I trimmed that plant, I cut her down to about 10 inches. And that sucker's already at 36 inches now. And this has only been 3 weeks. Like I say, these things will get about yay tall, and they just get a big broad base on them. And they look really nice. And they are maintenance free other than having to trim them. You don't have to water them. Nature takes care of everything. I like maintenance free. That's why I don't have flowers and all that other stuff in my yard. I want stuff that grows by itself. And this is a hot ticket right here.
Help! Help!
Whoa, what's going on over there? Holy crap, I'm coming.
Steve-O! Where are you, man? You got my back? Yeah, sure you do. Come on. Get this thing away from me. I think I lost an arm and a leg, and I got some other pieces missing. Shoo him away. Steve-O, I was yelling and screaming, and you didn't hear me. Oh, you ever been impaled by a giant pecker? Oh, I hope you
Stunted
do.
Steve,
Oh,
you okay?
man, you can't believe how bad this
You don't look
hurts.
too good.
Oh, hey, can you get a little closer so I can kick you in the jimmies with my
got
good
here
leg?
when I did.
Ah. Oh, I need a
Holy
gin and tonic.
schmoly.
Give me a gin and tonic. We'll make it all better.
All right.
Oh, hurry up.
Let me pick you up, Humpty Dumpty. We'll put you back together. Think old stunted Steve is gonna need a few Tylenol.
Tylenol? How about some morphine? Have you seen what you done to me today?
You okay, buddy? Because you don't look too good. But we'll patch you up. You'll be fine.
I don't know why I keep trying with you. You let me down every single time.
Do you remember what you said to me? I do. You said,
You're not the boss of me.
and you went on your merry way. Well, who's the boob now, you boob?
Well, you got my head back on correctly. Maybe you can fix the rest of me. I don't
If
know.
you're
We'll
looking
give
for
it a shot.
foliage, it's maintenance free,
But I'm skeptical.
and you don't have to tend to it. You don't have to, I haven't fertilized it. I haven't watered it. It's just taking care of itself. That's my kind of landscaping.
Cheers with an icy cold gin and tonic.
Thanks for watching. See ya.
Ta-da!